Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to install or download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon. And here you should see this watch faces category. You can tap on it. It will open the watch faces store. And here you have different categories for watch faces. Some of them are free. For some of them you need to pay. And basically you can browse the store, look for something you like. And once you find the watch face you like, you can simply tap on it. And here you have the description. You have also recommendations. You can favorite the watch face if you want to have it basically listed on the list of favorites rather. And when you uninstall it, and for example you want to install it again, you don't need to look for this for it in the store. You can just open the favorites list. It's going to be there, and you can install it again if you want to. Anyway, once you decide to install the watch face, you can simply tap on sync. It will start downloading and then syncing to your watch. And once it's done, it will be applied on your watch. Like this. And you can install quite few watch faces. I don't know if there is a limit. Let me check actually. Doesn't specify. It will probably tell you if you have too many watch faces, and then you will need to delete some. And to delete the watch face, you can go to the mine category right here, tap on delete, select the watch face you want to remove, then tap on delete and tap on OK. And the watch faces will be removed from your watch. And here we have also the list of favorites, as you can see. In the mine category, if you scroll down, you have favorites list. Okay, and that's about all. That's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.